Shatta you be a industry no pa, especially one man. I feel na work fe no. It's no that me who there watch your letter I'm Mr. President. One for letter no onto the letter to our new president of Ghana. Into no you know free African dancehall king into the ears of the new president of Ghana. Or say, I wish our new president, John Dramani Mahama, can also reform our music system to attract more professionals on radio and television, similar to the appointment of new ministers when they assume power. You know, the entertainment industry needs that change. The younger ones coming can't go through what some of us have been through. My humble wish, just for the next generation to come and see this music business as a job and not just fun. Into you know, Charles ni Ama Mesa ne open letter watch show was new president John Dramani Mahama you know chiremo obomazana ate mosma or appoint ministers na azano onfa nyoma bi into to kwem onfa ma yen music industry no don bro be ya industry no botum we jan nando papa ma titirfo wetum na waka yen nyom no ho asam na obandama bza wo ho no fom na wanye ho ne daw no kakrama fo na wareba no won so amba mbafo mo bi into no Shatta Wale ne open letter watch Ozama Mr. President on Nyen. Hi. Into no enough of the king already. Yen tiado na yen ko him.